Hello everyone, this is day 14 of learning how to trade. I guess today is Monday. Yo, Blue, this is
Yes,
your host, Red.
this is your host Blue.
Let's start. This is day 14, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Well, right now, this is the daily time frame chart. Let me just move this till right here. Okay, let me go to the 4 hour. Okay, right now, as I said, gold had done a gap up opening. Yo, Blue, can you check if Trump has posted anything on Truth Social?
Okay.
Oh, my God, right now. Oh, I may come right now. So, well, everyone, gold did a gap up opening today. I I told Blue that this was going to happen yesterday. I told him that there are high chances of gold going upwards, and I had some reasons for that, which were that the previous news that were coming out all made gold to go upwards. You know, this week's news, the previous week's news all made bullish candles. That is why I was expecting today's market to be bullish. Right now, we are going to check if Trump has posted anything on Truth Social during the weekend. Yo, Blue,
Yes, he posted about the war on Sunday morning.
what about the war? Peace or fight
Mm.
for a fight something?
He he said he's locked and loaded and will not. Uh, matlab- yeah, he's threatening. Basically, he's fighting.
So that is the reason about this gold to go. Right now, I think what is going to happen is this: we have a consolidation type of phase. Gold has went upwards, took out, I guess, this resting liquidity on this consolidation phase right here. Now it is coming down for this phase right here. This is huge amount of liquidity. Okay, and if this takes out, I guess then I have, in my opinion, I am bullish on gold, and it could go towards the high time frame right now. It needs to take out this resting liquidity right here. Yes, you can see consolidation time frame. There was this consolidation time frame. Gold went bullish, took upwards. This liquidity. These things, liquidity and this consolidation liquidity. Now it is coming down towards this one. That is what we are going to expect for gold to, I guess, take out this liquidity and then shoot upwards. This is, I guess. DXY should open. Yeah, DXY has also shown a gap down opening. Is there a news today? Yo, Blue,
Yes.
can you check if this news is important or not? ISM manufacturing PMI.
Hmm. Yeah, it's high impact. 7 p.m. today.
Okay. Well, there's a gap down opening on gold. Well, all the news that were being shown on the previous week all made bearish candles for DXY. So there was a high chance it was going to open in a gap down today. Okay, so I think this is it. In my opinion, I think so. We'll have to wait for a little while for DXY. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, DXY has gone is extremely bearish. Tapped again, went down. Let me go to the daily time frame. So if I guess, okay, there is a support zone right here which is showing an extremely high bullish momentum. You know, this here. There's a liquidity over here, and if I go solely on the daily time frame, there's a huge resting liquidity right till here. So in my opinion, DXY is going to, well, DXY has just taken out the swing. It has just shown a liquidity grab through the swing. What we can expect DXY to shoot upwards. If today DXY shows a candle that closes above this high, I guess uh, if DXY takes out the gap down opening, then we can expect gold to fall downwards. But that should mean that DXY should take the gap down opening right here. Okay, yes. No, the gap up down opening has been taken out. You know, right now what I'm expecting is DXY to fall further. But we will have to see if it respects this support zone or not. If DXY, falls falls like a textbook model like it is doing right here, you know, falling, pullback, fall, pullback, fall, pullback, fall, pullback. If it follows a textbook model and then goes downwards again, then we can expect beautiful setups on gold. Because right now, I don't think so. I'm kind of expecting anything right now, except price to take this and then shoot upwards. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you.
Wait a second, let me check something. Hmm. I wanna wake up right now, now, now. I wanna wake up right now, now,
Yo, Red.
now. Yeah,
Um, After gap up, there is a high, and the previous low. Will this be considered a full swing?
hmm? After gap up,
After gap up in gold, there is a high formed. The first
this one,
candle.
yeah, this one, this
The
one.
first candle. The first candle after gap up.
This is the first candle after gap up.
Yeah. So this candle is the high, and the previous low, that is,
This
I
one,
guess, yes, this high and this low, 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m. the low.
uh, I don't think so. It could, I've never thought about it like that. It could be a swing, but the thing is, even if it were a swing. I don't think so. It means anything, but we'll have to see because wait a second. Uh, because you never know. If you're talking about gap down opening, like there is a swing right here, you never know. During the weekend, price could go like this. Don't you think? Then the swing
Okay.
needed to be here.
Hmm.
That is the thing. We do not know if it goes upward. If it went upward like that, then the swing low would be this, or if it went upward like this, then the swing would be this. Because I think so. Because in my opinion, price went till here, you know, took this and then shot upwards
Okay.
for the gold opening to be formed, for the gold gap up to be formed.
Okay.
Right now, I think so. The only reason we can expect a short is if gold reaches 4067 level or 4072 level. You know, let
Hmm.
me mark the zone from it. Uh, this level to, I guess, this level. This is the level from which we can expect shorts if price comes to tap in here. The thing is, as you can see, the candle being formed right here, this could make a potential reversal. As you can see, there have been high amount of buyers continuing till here. As you can see, this candle, there was a high amount of buyers. There was a high amount of buyers here too, and there was a, the buyers won the match. I guess the fight between the sellers and buyers for for, for the candle to be in a bullish state right now. So what I'm expecting is price to tap into this level from which we can expect shorts. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you.
I think so. Well, then we'll have to wait for this candle's formation to be done. I think so. I'm going to remain online for a few seconds today until or unless this candle forms or not. You, Blue.
Yes.
Um, can you check if wait a second. Can you tell me exactly what Trump said in his news about the war?
Okay. Okay. So Trump said the USA is locked and loaded and ready to go against the Islamic Republic of Iran at levels of military terror, strength, and power not seen since World War II. Despite this, we have just been asked by Iran and other Middle Eastern countries to hold off any attack in the perimeters of a deal. Has in that the parameters of a deal has been agreed to. This would include the immediate, complete, and total opening of the Hormuz Strait and an end to Iran's nuclear threat. Based on this request, I have agreed for the future benefit of the world and likewise the survival of successful and prosperous Iran to cancel the attack subject to being able to rapidly make deal. Yo, this is actually a peaceful comment. The country of Israel joins me in this commitment. Get to work, everybody, and get it done.
No, well, no, I think so. It looks a little bit like peaceful, in but in reality, it is a threat that if the war, if the peace talks fail, we have weaponry to go outwards for a perfect war. He is kind of, threatening, satisfying his ego too, that no matter what happens, we are ready, ye blah 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 blah.
Hmm. Yo, how can we check the real-time bombing, etc.? Okay, if they have bombed, like we know right now, Israel hasn't stopped bombing Palestine. That maybe could be reason of Gold's push.
No, well, we cannot learn that. We cannot even find out that. The only reason you can find out if you have connections there from which you can see.
Hmm.
Like some people I've seen, many kind of people's trying to, many kind of, I guess, generations, families actually post people there, the places that have extreme war, like Rothschilds, before the World Wars and everything, posted his five sons across the states from across the countries that took major part in the World War. Like he sent each of his son into another country to create a bank in places
Hmm.
from where the war started, so
Oh.
that they could manipulate everything, if one ended up perfectly great, I guess you can say, information center or exchange center. They could exchange information before the countries could even know if they had won or lost. So Rothschild could manipulate the media to short stocks, to buy stocks, and that is the main reason they kind of hoarded that much money, that much generational money right now. The only reason is this.
Hmm.
Yo, the swing has
Okay.
been formed.
Yeah.
Right now, what I'm expecting is this level. We can expect short from this level. Okay. Well, I guess this is it for today. You can expect a short from this level. So, yo, am I missing something?
No, you're not missing anything.
Well, I guess this is it for today. Mm, yeah, I don't think so. There is anything else that I have to cover. Okay, then everyone. We will be stopping here for today. Tune in for the next stream. Bye.
Bye.